I'm going to videotape. So this is done from Day to Dream. Goodness, what am I? Dare to be creative. Oh my goodness. Anyway, I am here with a haul from Tuesday morning, and so anyway, so first I got some staple necessities that I always try to get there in time. This is the 1/8 for $1.49, 2120938. The score tape that you can strip apart. Then I got 2 of the 1/4 inch, and they're $1.99, 2120937. And then the 1/2 inch for $2.19, 2120936. So just like to keep some of that in hand because I didn't kind of know. So they also had, which they don't normally have, the removable dots. They are both in the 1/2 inch, 200 count each. So I went and got those for $2.49. But you can get these at Michael's, Hobby Lobby, whatever. Usually 40-50% off coupon, but they had them right there for half off, 50% at least. So I went on and got them. Psst, I'm doing a video.
Oh, sorry, Mommy.
I'm doing a video. 211-6179. So I was good at the removable ones. And then I just got some micro ones, some mini dots. These are 3/16, and it's 211-6168. So that's my little staple stuff. Then I did get this. I'm gonna try this out as on my table. This shelf liner, and it is 211-7082. And then this has been a TM before. The Hello Die, and I picked it up from somebody else. I already have this myself. 2131428, but I guess it'll be out in the May sale, which is I think tomorrow. But by this video's up, the May will already be out because I'm making a video, and then my daughter and I going to IKEA, so we're running around today. So again, this is 2131428. That's the Hello Circle one. I'm sure you've seen that in TM before. And of course, they have all the Memento dies back again. So if you haven't had a chance to get them the last, I guess this is probably maybe the third, at least the third, if not the fourth time they brought some of these out. So most of the ones they have are repeats of what you've seen before. So if you saw something that you wanted, you should be able to find them. If you didn't, this is the one I hadn't seen. You're invited, smile, and welcome. I think of what these say. And this is the sentiments borders. I mean, they might have had it before. I just didn't get it or didn't see it. It's 211-7697. So I didn't get any other ones because, like I said, I have all the swirls and the flowers and stuff that they have and the ornaments and stuff. So, but there's a lot of those out. Probably about 25 designs. So if you're looking for those, they should be in your store. And of course, the Sizzix, there's a ton of those. And I think I mentioned one of my videos a while back that they was doing all the Sizzix stuff. I only got a couple because you can find them on Hobby Lobby. Had this sale as well, but good price, especially for somebody starting out. You can get your stamp and a sticker set for $3.99. That's a really good deal. You can do multiple things. Just use the stamps only, stamps and the dies, or just the dies. So the $3.99 sets are a really good price if you're trying to build up your inventory and get a variety of different things, because you can use them separately or together. So I'm thinking about that. So anyway, these little frames, this is Sizzix, and the Sizzix numbers is 662926. Tuesday morning number is 211-6016, and it is called lanterns. I like lanterns. My mom has always done a lot of Asian themed decorating in our house when we was growing up, so I always liked that Asian influence. So this one, it was at Hobby Lobby, and I didn't get it when it was like $2. I missed it every time I went. I didn't have it. 211-6032, and it's by Jen Long, and it's called Phrase the Sweet and Donut. So it had it for $4.99, and the Sizzix number 662723. And that is a 9-piece die set. I hope you can see because this lighting is terrible. They had a ton of the impresslets. I only got one, but they had several different designs. The balloon, hot air balloon, I forgot the design, shape. Anyway, this is the birthday one, 662829. I got one, just that one only, and it looks like that. If you can see it. And then the last couple stuff was for that child you hear in the background making all that noise. So, wait a minute, one more before I show you that. I thought this one was a cute one, and this is another Gen Long 2-die and 2-stamp set. Actually, it should be 3. Or maybe it's connected. It says 2 and from. Okay. So this is another $3.99 one. 211-6017. This number is 662928, and it is called Love Donuts. So it's a donut shaped heart. I just thought that was kind of cute. And then I thought that was kind of cute, you know, both of those. The last that I got was, they're bringing these back out again, which is the Avengers, but they've been out since, somebody say May, but actually they've been out since January, because I know one of them said January. Yeah, like these been out since January. So they've been bringing it back more stuff. So with that, I got, I was doing an album with my grandson just of his various costumes that he wore throughout the years. So I gotta get those pictures printed out, but he's been some everybody. So this is Batman and Robin. So this is Robin for $6.99, and it is 2082491. I really want to pay out on my daughter. Got most of these. I just got a couple for her. She got the rest. 2082490 for $6.99 the Nightwing. I think these are the only ones I got. The rest she picked up. She paid for him. But I have to do the work. I got to do the craft. But she bought the supplies. We were just trying to find the ones that he's dressed up like. That we have pictures of. So this is Captain America. 2129242, and this one also has a little stamp set. So we know we got him in Captain America. That's how that looks. And this is another Spider-Man. This is the whip, whatever. 2129255. And this is the Web Slinger. 2129249 for $4.99. And then this one is Swooping, 2129260. So it's a little bit larger. That's what it looks like. And then this Iron Man. So she got 2 Iron Mans. Yep. No, this is Captain America. I get them people mixed up, I swear. Anyway, so this is Iron Man, 2129228.
Stop messing with me.
So I know we got costumes and all of that stuff. And this was just a sidebar cards. I did have the Cricut cartridge to go to cards. I bought it when Big Lots was clearancing out all that stuff years ago. Oh my gosh, and I paid probably like $4 for that cartridge, brand new. And it's a Disney cartridge. So I was like, when I saw that, when it was in the 90% clearance, I was like, oh, I'm going to buy it. 2129282. So, of course, they have the stamps. They also have the dies to go along with it. I didn't buy any of the dies because I got the cartridge. I haven't used the cartridge. So I told her we're not going to buy the dies because I just got the stamp set. Because the dies aren't layerable, even though you can buy the paper pad to go with it. But I have that set, so I decided not to get and I told her not to. So this is the paper pad that goes along with it that you put the dies on. So it's 2129257 and it's $3.99, and this has been out too. And came, you know, it's got a May sticker on it, but it's been out since at least March in my stores. These have been out for a while. But it's a paper pad, and they have the scenes, and then they have the characters. And what you can do, this thing smells. You take your die and you lay your die on it. So she has, I don't think they have both the dies to go with it. Hopefully they do, but okay, so this die matches this die. Can you see? Matches that one. So we can put it up there and you can cut it out. So it has 5 cutouts with that one. And then this one, I don't think this one, I don't think it was in the book. So it's a nice thick weight, I must say, though. So that's good. So when you do cut them out. So they must have some more Spider-Man moves, but
Spider-Man.
I did not see him in the book.
Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Yeah, it's me. Hobby. The best man in the whole universe.
Let's sell it. So anyway, if you haven't seen it, that's what they look like. So they have these in the cars, Spider-Man, and then the Elsa and some other ones. So, but you have the dies, you need the dies, or you could fussy cut this out yourself if you don't have the dies, and you can still use this as ephemera. So, totally up to you. So anyway, that is our haul, my daughter and I. So, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative and check out the new sale on tomorrow. He's acting so silly in the background. All right, God bless. Bye.